3-5 here, it asks us to calculate and interpret the rate of change. Number 7, you're going to find the linear pattern and fill in the rest of the change. Okay, there is an piece of information here that is very interesting. It says it's a linear pattern. A linear pattern means it has a constant rate of change. Okay, so that is the idea that you want to remember while you are applying these problems. It has to have a constant rate of change. Okay, all right, so let's take a look. So let's do the x first. So we plus 2 here. Okay, for it to be linear, it has to continue this pattern. So it's going to be also a plus 2 here. So this becomes 4. Plus 2 here, it becomes 6. And plus 2 here, it becomes 8. Let's look at the y. From 50 to 125, it minus 25. We minus 25 again to get 100. From 100, we minus 25 to get 75. And from 75, we minus 25 to get 50. That would be the pattern if it is a linear pattern, and that is how you get the rest of the values following our linear pattern. Let's look at 6. Well, it looks like we only have this. So from 6 to 8, we plus 2. So from 6 to 8, we plus 2. From 8, we plus 2 again. That becomes 10. Plus 2, it's going to be a 12. Now, if we want to go backwards, do you see how this is backwards? It's going to be subtract 2. Because if we go forward, right, we add 2. To go back, we have to subtract 2. So it's going to be a 4 here. All right. From 20 to 25, we add 5. So from 25 to the next one, we're going to add 5. That's a 30. From 30 to 35, we add 5. Now, from 20, we have to go backwards to get that box. So we're going to subtract 5. This will get us 15. All right. Okay. So to go forward, you follow that pattern. To go backwards, you have to do opposite of that pattern. Now let's look at C. Okay. From -2 to 0, you're going to add 2. From 0, we're going to add 2. So that's a 2. From 2, we add 2. That is 4. We have to go backwards here. So to go forward, we add 2. To go backward, we subtract 2. So this becomes a -4. 6 to 8, it is a plus 2. From 8, we plus 2. That gets us a 10. From 10, we add 2. This gets us a 12. Now we want to go backwards, so we're going to subtract 2 because going forward was add 2. So go back, we have to do the opposite. So that is going to be a 4 here. All right. All right, let's look at this one. Okay, to go forward here, we are going to be adding 2 each time. Okay, so to go backwards, we have to subtract 2. So 0 minus 2 is -2. -2 minus 2 is going to be -4. Okay, to go forward, -1 to -2, you subtract 1. From -2 to -3, you subtract 1. So to go backwards, you're going to add 1. So -1 plus 1 is 0. 0 plus 1 is going to be a 1. Okay, and there you go. Since you know that this is a linear pattern, you can use that to fill in the rest of the chart.